Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Batiste Shampoo, which is a dry shampoo. Dry shampoos are sort of like a substitute for the normal shampoo that we use to wash our hair when it's wet. But they are dry, and it's sort of like a dry product that you just spray on your hair to freshen it up, and it's quite suitable for those days when you don't really feel like going into the whole process of actually washing your hair or going underwater, or in cases when you don't have water to wash your hair. I'm not saying that dry shampoos substitute the whole process of actually washing your hair and cleansing your hair with water, no, but they can be a substitute to freshen up your hair when you can't really use water. So in this video I wanted to share with you how I actually use the shampoo on my hair. Batiste shampoos come in 6 different scents, and they range from ones that smell fresh and vibrant, and then there are other ones that also smell fruity, and other ones that smell floral, and one that I actually really liked was one that smelled like dark chocolate. In today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys using the scent cherry. So obviously before I start using the product, I do protect my natural hair because I don't want any chemicals going onto my hair or any foreign products going onto my hair that I'm not used to. So I do a protective style to protect my hair, and then I hold the can on to my hair, but I make sure that it's not very close to the roots of my hair. It's probably like 30 centimeters away from my hair. So whilst you're doing this, whilst you're spraying the shampoo on your hair, if any parts of your hair do turn white, just take a dry towel and just massage the product into your hair.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you.
So once I'm done with the freshening up, what I like to do is I just go ahead and put my wig on top, which I'm not gonna do in this video because I'm really enjoying the look. I'm really enjoying this hair. But yes, if you're done freshening up your natural hair, you can go ahead and put on your wig. You can also really put this product on your wig following the same steps that I did show you in this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Have you tried this product? If you have tried it, just let me know in the comment section down below what was your experience, and if you are willing to try it, you can find it in your local click store, your Discam, or your Checkers store. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave your like. I love you guys for tuning in and watching me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.